Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Ebook Recovery. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about some of the reasons why pornography seems to be killing your motivation, leaving you unhappy, unfulfilled, with the inability to complete the tasks and the things that you say you're going to do. And then provide you with the number one tip to ultimately change your perspective on your life, help you find the motivation or inspiration to remove porn from your life and ultimately become the man that you were created to be. But before we get into today's videos, guys, let me remind you who we are and what we do here. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuild Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways. First off, right here on the Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. And secondly, for you guys that are in the early stages of identifying some of the problems that porn has had on your life and are curious about what life can look like for you once you've been able to remove this destructive habit out of your life, make sure to download our free ebook, guys. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn, where we walk you through the exact process that we teach our students here at Rebuild Recovery on how to identify a lot of the areas that porn is negatively impacting your life, how to take that and then build a successful plan to ultimately reboot your life, rewire your brain, but then how to find the accountability, willpower, and discipline to stick through the plan and overcome this addiction to porn and masturbation and ultimately become the man that you were created to be. So that's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. I'm going to link it in the first pinned comment down there below. So check that out after you watch today's video, guys. But let's get back to the root of today's videos, guys. Why is pornography seem to be killing your motivation? Why is it leaving you dead? Or why is it leaving you really lifeless with the inability to complete tasks? Okay, I get the opportunity on a weekly basis to talk to our clients and our students here. You know, we're having tremendous breakthrough in the work that we're doing. But more importantly, I get to talk to a lot of you. You know, we're offering free reboot consultation calls, which I'm going to give you at the end of today's videos, how to book and schedule one of those. But one of the biggest challenges that the majority of the men that are reaching out to us are facing is they seem stuck. They've reached a point where they're rock bottom. And I never like to see a guy that is so desperate for change in his life that he doesn't know if it actually is able to change, if he's actually able to get out of hole that he's built himself or the hole that he's dug himself into. You know, and this gets back to a lot of the neuroscience, and we've done, you know, over 20 videos now on understanding the science of the brain. I had the pleasure to speak with Dr. Trish Lee. We've done videos on the rewiring, understanding dopamine, how it's hijacking our reward and pleasure center. And this all sits here at what we're talking about today. Hijacking our motivation, killing our motivation, really leaving us lifeless with the inability to complete things and get things done out in the world. So real quick, not to make this a super scientific video, but when we understand that porn from its core, from the base of just viewing and watching it, it is a stimulus that is super normal. It is beyond what we were designed for, is beyond what we were created for. And in doing so, it begins to change our desires. It begins to change our pursuits. It begins to change what we need to reach the same level of pleasure from before. So by consuming porn, we've changed what is going to bring us pleasure. We've changed what is going to make us happy. We've changed what is going to bring us joy. That means that when we step out into the real world, that means when we're not sitting in front of the computer and when we're not scrolling our tablet or our smartphone, getting that super normal stimulus, everything else is mediocre. Everything else is subpar. We've raised the bar. We've set the standard higher than what it ever was meant to be with the stimulus that pornography is providing to your brain and to every other part of your body. So by changing the standard, by raising the bar, that means when you were designed to get pleasure out of just completing tasks, when you were designed to find joy and release dopamine by doing your job, when you were designed to get these neurochemicals, to get these feelings of pleasure and joy and excitement and inspiration out of living out the life that you were created to live, by fulfilling your career, by changing your body, by having a close, intimate, personal relationship, because you've been so warped and changed by the supernormal stimulus of pornography. That's why it feels like nothing else in your life brings you joy. That's why it feels like nothing else in your life brings you pleasure. That's why it feels like nothing else in your life brings you satisfaction. So why would I be motivated to go do something if the end result is not what it was before? Okay? You see what I'm getting at here? So we've changed our stimulus response. We've changed what what gives us pleasure. We've changed what gives us joy. And that means that the only thing that we're motivated to do is literally sit down in front of our computer or pull up our tablet and watch more porn. Now, here's the problem. Because yeah, we can be motivated to do that, but on the end of it, the end result is just more feeling of emptiness. It's just a more feeling of guilt. It's just a more feeling of pleasure because we were driven to get something, but then the outcome was not what we thought we were going to get. So this is where literally it begins to put you in these depressive states. It begins to put you in these states of mind where you just have no zest for life. You have no joy for even opening your eyes and getting out into the world. And that's not the place that I want you to live and operate in. That's the worst possible human condition. Depression, anxiety, fear of stepping out into the world. No, man, that's not what we were designed and created for. So what do you need to do to turn the motivation on? What do you need to do to get the inspiration to A, remove pornography from your life, but then begin to step into the life that you were created to live? Well, the most important thing that you can do is create a vision for your life and then build a plan that you need to execute upon tomorrow. So understanding that right now it feels like I'm down. It feels like I'm in the dirt. It feels like I'm in the rock bottom hole. We've all been there, okay? This is a part of human life. This is a part of the journey. This part of the hero's journey is overcoming the challenges, facing the darkness, and then rising above it on the other side. So right now, if you're feeling that way, I'm telling you that if you actually follow through and do the steps that we're teaching here, the outcome, the other side where you come out, is truly the greatest place you're ever going to exist in and operate in this world, because this is a part of what we were meant to do. Face our demons, overcome the darkness, experience the challenges, and then come out on the other side a stronger version, or the version that we were created to be. So if you want to find more motivation, I think seeking motivation is an empty pursuit. I don't think we're always going to be motivated. Motivation, the root word is motive. So we need to have tactics and strategies to help motivate us. I think we should be inspired. I think seeking inspiration in life is way better or way more fulfilling than motivation. So inspiration can be like understanding that you have gifts, you have talents, you have things that you were created in this world to accomplish and to achieve. And when you can take those skills and build a life's plan to help you fulfill and serve other people in what you're doing, that's where happiness lives. That's where happiness and fulfillment rests, is when you find your skills and talents that God gave you and then begin to create and serve the world with those skills. So if you need to find more motivation, I think stop looking for it, but motivation will come in having a plan of where you're trying to go in life, but then taking that plan and building in actionable steps to follow through tomorrow, the next day, the week after, 3 months from now, 6 months from now. You know, when I spoke with Dr. Trish, the neuroscience, which we're getting her back on the podcast here in a couple weeks, when I asked her what's the number one step for guys looking to reboot from porn, her answer was have a plan. Okay, so you need a plan if you're successfully going to remove porn from your life. You need a plan if you're successfully going to reboot yourself from pornography. So that's what we've designed here in the 7-step guide. It's a plan. It's a guide. It's 7 steps. Okay, step 1, boom, knock it off, check it off, give yourself credit for what you've done. Step 2, accomplish it, reward yourself, internal release of dopamine. You see how this works, guys, is we've given you a plan, but then we can actually take it a step deeper. So I told you guys at the beginning of today's video, I'm going to tell you about an opportunity to jump on a call with me so we can map out your reboot. So once you download the free ebook, the next page is going to direct you to a video explaining how our coaching program works, and then give you an option to schedule a call. And we're doing free consultation calls at this point because we want to help. We want to provide you with some questions, or we want to provide you with some answers to questions that are going to help you understand more about your current situation and then more to how to get yourself out of it, okay? So understand, guys, that porn has hijacked your motivation, but an easy path out of it is to begin to work on yourself, begin to build a plan for your life, and then execute upon that plan every single day. So Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery, like I said at the beginning of the video, download the 7-step guide to removing life or living life without porn. Subscribe to the channel, so we are releasing new videos every single day. But that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. I'll see you guys on the other side.